you love healthy cakes, then this carrot cake recipe is for you. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to make carrot cake. Please watch to the very end and like this video so others can see it. The first thing we're going to do is to grate our carrots. So get your grater or anything that you have, just go ahead and grate this carrot. Yeah, so I'm almost done grating my carrots. So after grating the carrot, we're going to set that aside and go ahead and prep our wet ingredients. I'll be using 4 eggs for this recipe. Give that a good mix and add in my vegetable oil. I'll go ahead and add in my brown sugar and also add in my white sugar. So this recipe, I'm using both brown sugar and white sugar. I'm going to list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box, so please kindly check it out. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please like this video, subscribe and comment. Thank you. So when working with flour, the first thing you do is to sieve your flour, and I'm sieving my bicarbonate of soda, and that's my cinnamon powder mixing there. So I'm combining all my dry ingredients. I'm done combining. I'm going to set it aside. It's a very simple cake recipe. After mixing my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients, I'm going to turn the both into one. I'm turning my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients and carefully and slowly mix it until everything is well incorporated. This is a dense carrot cake recipe. If you want to make it moist, you can still use this recipe, but you add half a cup of water or milk. So I want it to be dense, I want it thick. Okay, so that's how I want this to be. So I'm done mixing. I'll go ahead and add in my carrots, grated carrots, and incorporate it properly. At this point, I'm not using the balloon wicks again. I'm using my spatula. If you don't have this kind of spatula, you can use your wooden spatula. Just feel free to use anything that is readily available to you guys. Ensure you make everything to be well incorporated. Mix it thoroughly and just go ahead and fold it in just the way I'm doing it now. So guys, I'm done mixing. I've lined my pan. I'm using my bread loaf pan. So I'll go ahead, line it with my parchment paper, my baking paper, and pour in my carrot cake batter. If you don't have baking paper, kindly use oil to grease your pan and dust it with flour. So this is quite optional, but it gives a good look, gives a good finishing. That's granular I'm using. That's a dry fruits and granular. If you don't have it, it's totally optional. So I'm done. I'm going to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. And yeah, my carrot cake is well baked, perfectly okay. It's nice. It's out from the oven. Look at it. Lovely. So I'm going to cut the middle and show you guys how that look like. And yeah, super dense carrot cake is ready. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. A special thanks to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always stopping by. Don't forget to join this family. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.